Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see gold market price has hit our first destination point, 1305 upside retracement. So it simultaneously marking has completed the harmonic swing. So as you can see, the distance is equal to the one that has been formed here. It's reaction on the OP target. So once here this was the OP and the daily oversold. Here we have the major 618 support, so it's corresponding reaction here. At the same time, you can see that here we have some minor acceleration, so it's a bit faster than here. It means that potentially market could move slightly higher and retest a bit higher resistance levels. So we will keep an eye on this development today's session, maybe in the beginning of the next week. But as you know, on the Monday it will be the Memorial Day on the United States, so markets, gold market will be closed, and it will be probably weak activity on today's session as well. So what we need to keep an eye on the gold market in the nearest future. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, the first level has been hit. In general, we're expecting reaching of the 1262 area. This is minor ABCD pattern exists on the 4-hour time frame chart, but mostly the same target stands in relation to larger ABCD daily patterns conceived based on the top of the gold market. So the ABC top, OP has been hit, minor reaction, acceleration here. We expect the XOP also should be reached. Besides here, it will be, guys, kind of the significant resistance because previous lows stands here and the previous consolidation. And usually markets work so that they protect the consolidations that already has been broken. So the border of this on the consolidation becomes significant resistance. So the same story you probably could see here. So drop, market has retested this broken lows, this consolidation, and drop further. Now it could happen again. It means that on the hourly chart, guys, you can see our ABCD target has been completed. Market has hit the OP, and simultaneously the CD leg takes the shape of the butterfly, also has been met. But here we have the sign that could put the foundation for a further upward action to the XOP, which stands at the 1315 area and around weekly pivot resistance 1. This is acceleration. Usually when you have when you're watching for ABCD target, you should keep an eye on the CD leg closer to the final point of the ABCD pattern. If you see the acceleration or gaps on the CD leg, it good sign of the possible further upward continuation. It means that there are two levels, two moments that we should keep an eye on. First of all, this first is a retracement down because market still stands at some targets. So its butterfly has been completed, OP target, some reaction should happen. And here, guys, if you would not have the long position and you would like to take some scalp long position, you could keep an eye on the possible garden steeple to buy. So here, market could form a kind of the ABCD retracement right back down to this former kind of the neckline of our head and shoulders or something of that sort. As you can see here was previously it's retesting of this area. This market could show some retracement here and upward continuation further. This will be XOP target. It's around 1313, major 38 resistance. So as you can see, this is major 30% resistance, guys, and will be agreement. So that will be good point for taking the short position, or at least watching for signs of the possible short, taking the short position on the daily chart. That's the first moment. At the same time, guys, this area, it's around 13 even, 1302. It should be watching for a possible downward breakout, because yes, the fact that we have the signs of the acceleration, this is good, but we need also control this process. So if market indeed bullish, it should not drop below this former consolidation and just starting dropping. It's not typical for current development. And in this case, if market will drop here and returns back inside of this consolidation, it will mean that no upward continuation will happen. So hardly XOP action will proceed, will happen if market will drop here below this area. That's 2 moments to watch for in the gold market. But as it looks right now, chance on the 1315 looks really not bad. That's really upward action could happen. Depending on the further action on the gold market, we will decide what to do, where to take the short position on the 1262 target. But if market will reach these areas, it will be very good, because it will be kind of the confluence, as you can see, a bit wide, but still confluence resistance. Also, this will be agreement resistance right at the weekly pivot resistance 1. And we know that pivot resistance 1 usually holds upward retracement with the long-term bear trend. That's why a reaching of this level will not mean that bearish trend has been broken. It's normal retracement, guys, here, just 30% of the thrust. So that's what we should keep an eye on in the gold market.